Hey guys, so my personal price prediction for the Trump coin, Trump meme coin, right now you can see the price is around $70 to $80. Soon we will go to $90. And why I am confident about that this is going up for a while is because nothing like this has happened in crypto. This is the first time that the USA president is actually bullish on crypto. And not just bullish, he is creating his own meme coins. And what I want you to understand is that people that are not in the crypto, and these are like 50%, 80% of the whole world is not in the crypto right now. But looking at the fact that Trump created his meme coin, I think most of the people right now are talking about this craze, this hype. And what I want you to understand is that if you are in the crypto space, you think that we will just go up for a few days and dump down. But I want you to understand that people are coming every day in this space. New people, millionaires that don't believe in crypto, that don't believe in meme coins. You can see even Ethereum founder Vitalik changed his profile picture to a milady, which is insane. And I wouldn't be surprised if the Trump token goes $300, if it flips Solana. Maybe it even comes close to Ethereum's market cap. And why I think this is because, again, Trump basically has millions. I think if there are like 100 or 300 million people in USA and he can get like 80 million votes, this means that he can get so many people to adopt crypto, to buy his coin. And I think this will actually happen. And we will see Trump token go up for a maybe even few weeks. This means that many people will be happy with buying this coin. And this video is not a financial advice, but what I think will happen is many of normal people, the retail, will buy this coin and it will go up. Many will cash out, many will burn themselves because eventually it will start going down. But looking at the tokenomics, the best part is that even if the team, the insiders, own 80% of the token, which is a lot, the unlocks actually will start only in 3 months, which is insanely bullish. This means that for the next 3 months, this Trump token could stay above 70, 80, 90, even $100. I think it will hit 200 in few days. That's just my personal opinion, not a financial advice. I just want for people to understand that this is not about crypto people. This is not about people that were here in 2017, 2021 crypto bull run. This will onboard old people that know Trump since like Home Alone times, since 80s, since 70s. There are so many people that actually believe in him. And he will onboard masses. Many of these people will actually stay in crypto. They will see potential. The next 4 years for crypto will be insane. He's hiring new administration people that are actually quite knowledgeable in this space. That's why I think this industry will be insane for the next not 2 years, not 3 years, but for the whole 4 years. Because again, nothing like this has happened in the history of crypto. And if we are again talking about price, many people think that Ethereum has a high market cap, that Bitcoin has a high market cap, Solana, but there is an actual opportunity for Trump coin to flip Solana, which is a blockchain itself. It's not just a meme coin, but this I think will happen because most of the people don't know about Ethereum. They don't know about Solana. They don't care about XRP, about Dogecoin. I mean, they don't actually care. But right now, Trump is shilling his own Trump meme coin. People still don't care about the technology, about decentralization. They will just see that Trump created his meme coin. They have a huge trust in Trump. They know that he will be a president. That's why they will just start buying in. Many people will sell their houses, their cars, put their life savings into this meme coin. That's why I think this could go up so much higher. And the best part is, even if you don't want to buy the Trump meme coin, you are a crypto OG like I am, the whole space will flourish. NFTs will go up. You may know that Trump NFTs went up like 4x, 5x, maybe even 10x as of this video. I haven't checked yet how to check them, but the NFTs are pumping. And again, if you don't think that NFTs will come back, always remember that Trump has his NFTs. He has like NFTs on Bitcoin, NFTs on Polygon, NFTs on Ethereum. That's why don't fade this space. There are so many opportunities, and tomorrow on Monday there will be so many fundraising events. Many projects will be raising millions and millions of dollars, maybe even billions of dollars, because this space will be so huge. Thanks to Trump, thanks to his belief in the crypto. That's why don't fade this space. And I am actually posting every day, alpha every day, so many opportunities, and I'm posting on my Patreon. This is where I post first. I actually posted this basically meme when Vitalik answered the milady, and the floor price of these NFTs were around 3 Ethereum, and it went to 5, I think even 6 Ethereum. So you could get extra $10,000 if you have followed my Patreon. That's why if you want to get early alpha for NFTs, crypto, airdrops, press the like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.